today we're in the neighbor's bathroom again. And they need a light up there, and they need 3 switches over here because they're gonna put in a fan somewhere in the middle of the room. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this 1 gang box out, turn it into a 3 gang box, and then have a light for the shower and a wire for their fan. So we're gonna have to drill a hole in here. We're gonna have to drill a hole over there. We're gonna run a wire across the top down here and then connect it all in this box. The homeowner states that that is gonna be the correct spot to make the hole. So we're gonna let him ruin his own ceiling because then he won't, he's also in charge of doing the spackle. So he'll be able to fix his mistake when he's done. Because it usually doesn't work out that it's perfectly centered and doesn't hit a
yeah, so thing. I'm telling you,
Woo! That is a perfect 4 1/4 inch hole. Perfect. Okay, let's run some wire. Just like that, the light pops in.
It looks so good.
We need one more
the next
switch.
switch too isn't gonna have a dimmer or anything, so. Phew! Best neighbor ever.
It took you half an hour.
Okay, we're making some progress here. Today we're gonna start some tiles on here. We're just deciding what the pattern, because the window's off center by just a little bit and it leaves a little sliver of tile there. So what we gotta do is we gotta move everything an inch because that's what the homeowner says.
We've got
The
a
homeowners
trusty,
are sitting on the couch.
we've got a trusty level.
Trusty one.
Yeah.
It looks like they got the floor down. And surprise, we got a shower that looks like a shower. Let's see. Let's go in for the detail. Okay, it's looking good up the side. Okay, we're making progress here. Today we're putting up this beadboard. We were gonna do this direction, but it kind of is different shape than that, and they're different sizes, and it's off by a little, and you know, perfection. So we're gonna just cut it and do it the long way and see what that looks like. So this is the final product of the neighbor's before and after video here. Well, we didn't get the doorknob yet, but we're inside the bathroom here. It could use a little artwork right over here or right over here, but besides that, this is what's behind door number 1. We have a nice new shower. From start to finish, it cost about $8,000 to do this to the bathroom.